In 2025, people aren't going broke because life is expensive. People are going broke because the system has learned how to drain your money silently, slowly, and without you even noticing. Every swipe you make, every subscription you forget, every minimum payment you trust. It's all part of a system designed to keep you in a loop. A loop where you work harder, but feel poorer. Today, we're not talking about simple mistakes. We're talking about the 5 silent money traps that are destroying the finances of millions in the US, UK, and Canada. And chances are, you're stuck in at least one of them right now. Buy now, pay later. The most dangerous trap disguised as a convenience. Affirm, Klarna, Afterpay. They want you to believe you're being smart by splitting payments. But here's the truth. You're not paying less. You're paying later, and more often. BNPL makes you feel in control, but studies now show people spend 30 to 40% more when the price is broken into small payments. You aren't buying products, you're buying microdebts. And those microdebts stack up into financial chains, silently locking you in. In the US, UK, and Canada, subscription spending has become the new silent poverty. $4.99 here, $12.99 there, $18.99 for streaming, $9.99 for cloud storage. Soft, harmless numbers. But here's the dark truth. Most people have 12 to 18 active subscriptions, and they remember only half of them. Companies don't want you to cancel, they want you to forget, because forgetfulness pays, and it pays billions. The minimum payment trap is the oldest, deadliest trick in the credit card industry. They say, just pay $25 this month. Sounds manageable, but it's a lie that has kept millions in debt for decades. A $1,000 balance. If you pay minimums, it can take years to clear, and you'll pay almost triple the amount. Credit card companies don't want you to pay off your debt. Your debt is their income. This trap is the most invisible and the most painful. You get a raise, and life gets expensive. Your salary goes up, and suddenly so does your lifestyle. New phone, new car, new apartment, new everything. You don't become richer. You just upgrade your expenses. Lifestyle inflation is the reason millions earn more every year, yet still feel stuck in the same financial spot. Most Americans, Brits, and Canadians are one emergency away from disaster. No savings means one flat tire can turn into debt. One medical bill can turn into panic. One job loss can turn into collapse. Without an emergency fund, you don't control your life. Your expenses control you. These money traps aren't mistakes. They are systems. Systems built to keep you comfortable and broke. But now that you've seen them, you can escape them. Break just one of these traps, and your financial life will shift forever. Break all 5, and nothing can stop you.